The English conversations are useful for you while traveling in auto rickshaw or taxi.
Where do you want to go, madam?
Ulhasnagar, please.
Where in Ulhasnagar?
The City Bank.
Get in, madam.
Driver, to Kodambakkam, please.
After the railway cross?
No, before. Near the Liberty Theatre.
Get in, please.
Driver, go this way. This is a shortcut.
Sorry, madam. We can't take this way.
Why?
This is one way.
Oh, I see. Driver, stop the auto, please.
Yes,
Wait a moment. I'll be right back.
but don't be late.
No, I won't. Driver, stop at that gate, please.
You mean that yellow gate?
No, not that. The next one.
Right, madam.
Driver, what's the fare?
860, madam.
Here is a tenner.
I don't have change, madam.
It's all right. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Driver, I have to go to the AVM studio and come back.
Will there be a long wait?
Oh no. At the most 10 minutes. Not more than that.
Then get in, please. Madam, this is Nehru Street. Where do you want to get down?
There is a GK Travel somewhere here. That's where I want to go.
GK Travels? Oh, that's the green building over there.
I see. Then drop me over there.
Sure, ma'am.
The meter shows only 8 rupees, driver. Then why do you ask for 10?
The petrol prices have gone up, madam.
What have the passengers to do with it?
Okay, ma'am, why argue? 8 rupees if it is so.
Driver, we are 4. Could you take us to the beach, please?
Sorry, ma'am, only 3 persons are allowed.
We'll pay you 5 rupees extra.
In that case, get in.
Driver, how far is Madras again?
About 90 kilometers, madam.
Can we reach there before 7?
Well, if there's no traffic block, you'll reach there before that.
I'd like to go to the museum. What will be the charge?
That'll be 20 rupees, madam.
Shall I give 15?
It's a long way off, madam. Make it 17.
Okay then.
Hope you understood how to speak in English while traveling in auto or taxi. But there are yet more small conversations to be known before you travel.
Take me to the bus stand, will you?
Sorry, madam, this is engaged.
Can't we go to the Nehru Stadium this way?
Oh yes, we can.
Isn't there any shortcut to the Taluk office?
No, madam, this is the only way. This is the Panchayat office. Haven't you to get down here?
Oh yes. Driver, the Muhurtam is in just half an hour. Can we reach before that?
Certainly, madam.
Driver, stop a while in front of the post office on the way.
Sure, madam.
Driver, when do we reach Tirupati?
At 5:30, madam, in the morning.
What's the waiting charge like?
It's 10 rupees an hour.
The meter shows only 10 rupees. Then why do you ask for 15?
After 10 in the night, there is half the charge extra, madam.
Driver, what is the charge per kilometer?
350.
What's the minimum fare?
5 rupees.
Driver, set the meter please.
Certainly.
Bye.